Hello children, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about birds. Lesson number 4. Children, why do you think the birds can fly and you cannot? Have you ever compared your own body with that of a bird? Let's see. Children, birds have feathers on their bodies. They have wings instead of arms. Most of them can fly with the help of these wings. Their other body parts are also made in such a way that it is easy for them to fly. Children, most birds are light bodies because their bones are thin and hollow. Their bodies are shaped like aeroplanes. This helps them to easily cut through air. Children, birds have strong arms and chest muscles. These muscles helps them to flap their wings for flying. Feathers. Children, do you know a bird's body can contain more than 10,000 feathers? These are of 3 kinds: down feathers, flight feathers, and body feathers. Down feathers are fluffy. They keep the body warm. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are long feathers in the wings and tails. They help the bird to fly. Body feathers. Body feathers cover the body and give a shape to it. Children, some birds such as the kiwi and the ostrich cannot fly. These are flightless birds. Nesting habits. Children, birds build nests when they have to lay eggs. They build nests in all kinds of places. They are mostly made high up in trees, but some birds build nests on the ground also. A tailor bird sieves leaves to make its nest. An eagle's nest is high up on a tree. Woodpecker cuts a hole in a tree trunk with its beak. A partridge nest on the ground. Birds build nests using leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton, and thread. Beaks. Children, birds do not have teeth. They have beaks which help them to eat. Some birds such as the eagle eat the flesh of animals. Others like the sparrow eat fruit, seeds and grain. Flesh-eating birds such as an eagle or a vulture has a strong, sharp beak shaped like a hook. It helps to tear the flesh. A seed-eating bird such as sparrow has a short, pointed, strong beak used to crack seeds. A parrot eats seeds, nuts and fruits. It has a strong curved beak which it uses to crack nuts and seeds. A woodpecker has long, sharp beak which helps it to tap the bark of trees and pull out insects. A duck has broad, flat beak with holes on its sides. Children, it takes muddy water in its beak. Mud and water flow out through the holes. Plants and insects remain in the mouth and are eaten. Birds like kingfishers and pelicans have a long scissors-like beak for catching small fish. Feet and claws. Children, birds have 4 toes on each foot. Besides catching and holding food, birds use their toes in a number of other ways. Their toes are built to suit their food and other habits. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle and vultures have strong, sharp claws called talons. They use their talons to catch live rats, toads, and other small animals. Children, birds like crows or sparrows perch on tree branches and even sleep while perching. Their feet are shaped to hold on to the branches. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Children, swimming birds such as ducks have webbed feet that help them to swim. Hens use their legs and claws for scratching the earth to bring out insects. A parrot uses its legs and claws to hold fruit while it eats, and also to climb trees. A woodpecker also uses its claws to climb. Birds like cranes have long legs for wading in water. Children, all these birds have legs and claws specially shaped for their use. I hope you liked the video. For more educational videos, please visit the channel and do like, share and subscribe.